Good morning, traders. This is Frank Cholly with RJO Futures in Chicago, coming to you on Tuesday morning, August 21st, with your mid-morning grain commentary. Currently, we have grains trading higher across the board. Corn, 12, 13 better right now. Soybeans between 38 and 40 better. And the wheat, 16 to 18 better. In the outside markets, we have the dollar down. We have the treasuries down. It's risk on. But that's not the story between the rally and the grain markets right now. We're looking at we're getting results from the pro farmer crop tour, and we're getting the bad news first. You know, we're looking at disappointing pod counts in the soybeans. We're looking at yields coming back in the corn. You know, areas that got 150 bushels last year, looking at 100 bushels this year, and some even worse, 140, 150 bushels last year, down to 70 or so this year. So look, these guys got a good reputation. Last year, they pretty much pegged the numbers for the final yield. So you got to give their reports a lot of credit. Now, we're not done. There's another day or two. So we're going to start to get some better news, I would expect, in terms of the areas that, you know, did better in this drought. So be careful. You know, the market is likely to continue to move higher. We have very low yields. We have a tight supply, and rationing needs to take place. So soybeans have had very good demand. You know, these higher prices are warranted. Corn demand, we've seen a lot of destruction there. So, you know, maybe these prices are high enough right now. We'll wait and see how things develop the next couple days with this crop tour, and see if they don't paint a little brighter picture over the next day or two. So again, there's concerns with you know, barge restrictions, traffic on the Mississippi and the Ohio and whatnot. That can affect the price of you know, the cash crop right now. We know that we got bad yields in the corn. You know, we're going to have to wait and get a little more clarification as time goes by. Soybeans can still go either way. It's probably a little too late to get a lot of improvement, but things could get a little bit better. There are some concerns with the yields coming out of the Russian wheat crop, and corn is leading wheat higher also. So we're very strong in the grain markets right now. Be careful at these high levels. Don't just, you know, jump in and get all bulled up on this stuff. You need to practice some good risk management strategies at these levels. These are historic levels, and as I've been saying for some time now, sooner or later I'll be right. Markets go through corrections. They're healthy for the markets. Until then, please remember that trading commodity futures does involve substantial risk of loss and is not suitable for everyone. Thank you.